As soon as Musa picked up and nursed her baby, Musa alayhi salam immediately started taking her milk. Fir'aun was shocked and suspicious and asked, "Who are you? This child has refused to take any other milk but yours." If Musa were to reveal who she was, Fir'aun would have known that the child was from Bani Israel and would have killed Musa alayhi salam instantly. However, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave her inner strength and she replied, "I am a woman of sweet milk and sweet smell and no child refuses me." This answer satisfied Fir'aun. From this point, she was appointed as Musa alayhi salam's wet nurse. She continued to nurse him for a long time, and even as he grew older and was weaned, she was allowed the privilege of visiting him. Look how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not only reunited Musa with her beloved son, but he also ensured that he would be protected and raised in the best of situations. Musa reminds us that it is the trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that will carry us through these difficult moments, and not only by providing us with the physical means, but also by providing emotional support as well. We just need to let go and have tawakkul.